Hello and welcome back. So I thought we would do a quick demonstration here of the alcohol ink I used to make the transparent paint in the bug build video. So it's pretty simple. A little small container and some 91% isopropyl alcohol. Acetone will work for this, but if you use it, make sure you're using a container that will not melt from the acetone. But I like alcohol. I think it works the best. Most of these markers are alcohol based anyway. So it's got a couple old, these are mostly dried up markers that my kids had from years ago. Got a green and a blue, and well, it's a pretty simple process. Just want to take it apart. Yeah, and then that comes out. That's the business end of the marker. Tell you what, let's put a couple pieces of copy paper down here so we're not making such a big mess. So trick is to just cut this thing in half and then pull all the stuffing out of it that holds the ink. You can see there's still quite a bit of ink in there. Just grab a pair of tweezers, or I've got an old pair of hemostats in this case, and just start yanking it out of there. And that goes in the trash. Now this, we want to kind of bundle up a little bit and stuff. Yeah, come back. Come here. Stuff down inside here. Get all the little furries down in there. And then that, take the isopropyl alcohol and then just fill the bottle up. Leave a little headroom in there. Oops, a little too much. Oop. Yeah, that's about right. Okay. And then take your tool and then just squish it up and down. Work the alcohol around in there into the ink. Yeah, can't really see what I'm doing there, can you? Alright, that's better. And there you are. Alcohol ink. Lid on it. Wipe off any excess ink on the outside. That on your gloves so you're not touching anything. There's one. Now let's do the other one. This one's going to be a dark green. So just grab the end. Whoa, come back here. That one's been a little more difficult. Huh. There's more than one way to do this. Yeah. If one way don't work, try another. Score it and break it. we are. We don't want to get blue ink in our green thing, so green ink. Let's wipe these off. Trash that. Now, okay. This one's a little wetter than the other one. This ought to be a really good one. Oops. Oh yeah, that one's. I would go as far as calling this one juicy. Oh, get down in there. Ooh, yeah. Look at all that. Losing the ink. This is a messy process. There we go. Now we're cooking. And fill. Get it to go in the container. I'm losing as much as it's going in there. Again, now. Let's see if we can get a better angle on that. There we go. Then just squeeze it around, squeeze it around. Yeah, oh, look there. It looks almost anodized, doesn't it? It's kind of cool. All right, another one done. If I can find the lid. There we are. I want to make sure, because these look very similar, just setting out like that. You can see a little bit. I want to make sure these are labeled properly so that you know what they are. Well, and there you have it. 2 bottles of alcohol ink, a dark blue and a dark green. The process, again, pretty simple, and you can mix this with glue. You can mix this with well, just really anything you can mix alcohol in, because the pigment will, as the alcohol dries out, the pigment will stay behind. So I used it in with some polyurethane, water-based polyurethane, on the bug build to get the tail lights. But you can, the uses for this stuff is almost, you know, unlimited. You can airbrush it, put a little airbrush thinner in it to, not airbrush thinner, what am I looking for? It needs a retarding agent is the word we need. So you can put a little retarding agent with it and use it, and straight out of an airbrush. You can paint with it. Just, you know, really, imagination. Let your imagination run wild. There you go. If you enjoyed this, we'll call this a material tip. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate you joining me, and if you like what you're seeing, I'll do more of these, and just hit that like and subscribe button, and that way I'll know I'm on the right track. So thank you. Have a good day.